Hi guys, it's Danielle here with Danielle's Boutique Co. I'm hopping on today to show you guys how to make a bow with the Bowdabra, which I purchased at Hobby Lobby. But I'm sure you can get them on Amazon, possibly Michael's. If I do find a link, I will link it in the comments or the description for you. So today we're going to be using 4 ribbons, 2 2.5 inch and then 2 1.5 inch, and springy colors. The plan is to make the bow to go on this cute door hanger that I found at Walmart, which is really cute. The truck with the little bunny butt. So, all right, let's get started. Now, it's been a while since I've actually used the Bowdabra, so I normally hand make all my bows, but this should be good then for somebody who's just beginning, because it's been a while. For me too. So you just start by, taking whatever inch, however long tail that you'd like, and you're gonna stick that in like this. So bring that down, and then on this side you're going to actually twist it so that you have the good side facing down. So when you flip it back around and make your loop, that you have the good side up. And again, doing the same thing, gonna twist it here, make a loop, come back through. Your loops do not have to be perfect. If you have a measuring mat, you could put it underneath and then kind of measure out where your loops are going. But for this one, I'm gonna eyeball it. So there we go. We have one tail. Go ahead and cut this. I'm gonna go back with the second 2.5 inch, make a tail. Your tails don't all have to be the same length. I actually think it looks better that way so that there's some definition. Then I'm twisting this right here in the middle as well. I'm running out of ribbon here, and gonna come back through. I'm gonna make this loop a little smaller and twist it. Again, flipping it, twisting it in the middle so there's like a knot in there, and then coming back through here and twisting it. Okay, then let's come through with our next ribbon. We'll go with this striped salmon colored ribbon. See, I only want our tail. Twist it there in the middle. Oop. Over here, make our loop. Gonna make that one a little smaller also. You do kind of want to make the the smaller size ribbon a little smaller than the larger ribbon. It just looks better that way. Again, almost like with the ribbon tails, just for like definition. Let's come in with this pink gingham. Again, gonna twist it in the middle there, bring the tail down. Bring it in the middle, twist it. another loop here. If it will stay. I think it will. Let's cut this tail. Now this little guy here, I believe, is to take in the middle and to squish down the ribbon. At least that's what I do with it, because it does seem to help, especially if you're using like, you know, 5 or 6 ribbon, or you're using thick ribbon, which a couple of these are pretty thick. These 2 are thick. And it just helps kind of squish it there in the middle. And then take a Chanel stem or pipe cleaner. Some people use zip ties. You can do that too, especially if your ribbon is super thick. And then you're just gonna pull this out nice and neat. Take the pipe cleaner in the back here and twist it. Ooh. And then keep twisting, twisting till you got it on there tight. So I am actually going to go ahead and just, before I flip it out, I'm going to go ahead and cut the ends. I typically always dovetail them, but you can cut them at a slant, diagonally, however you prefer. Two. And I'm just folding them together, this by side, and then cutting it. Pretty simple. So here's our bow. It's pretty easy. I mean, you might have to do it a couple times just to kind of get the hang of it, but I think the hardest part really is maybe just trying to tie it. And I'm just kind of curling these out a little bit. So here's our little hanger. Let's see about sticking that right on top here. So I'll just take the pipe cleaners. I'm gonna cut this off because it's in the way. And you could actually hot glue this on there too, which may be a, let's see here, which may be a better way to put it on unless you really tighten this. So twisting it around the little hook here. And of course you can kind of straighten out the ribbon afterwards. Just a little easier. I like to kind of twist mine different ways. And I think I'm gonna cut this just a little shorter. Yeah, so there you go. There you have it. Just add a little something extra. I think it's super cute and will look cute on the door for Easter. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.